Hello, what's up everybody, Santi Double R here once again with the engineering way. For today's video guys, we're gonna be having a really amazing unboxing. I was not expecting to buy a new TV, but I got a really good deal on this one. So yep, let's start it up. So you wanna check it out? I bet you do. So please grab a seat, bear with me, and let's go to it. Okay, so let's see what we got here. It would be the Samsung Crystal UHD 7 series. Yeah, it's gonna be having a crystal display. Of course, it's 4K. Yep, it's boneless design, which is really good. And okay, so let's start with this unboxing. It's bigger. Oh my god. It's big. Alright. There we have it. Oh wait, I'm gonna be running it down. Yes. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Alright, okay. Yeah, just kind of instructions of how you may have to put ready your TV. Okay, what we're having here. Okay, this one is going to be the wire cable, you know, the battery, your control, and the paperwork. Okay, yeah, the user manual. Alright, what we got here, okay, it would be 1 foot. We got the second one. Okay, so, oh yeah, this is telling that you may have to cut here to be able to grab out your TV from the box. So, let me do that. Oh, probably not. Okay. Woo. Oh, there we have it. Let me put this thing from here. Oh boy, this TV is so big. It's really big. Okay, yeah, now I'm just going a bit here. So what's this to here? And let's grab it firmly from the two sides. There we go. Okay, there we have it. Woo! It's pretty big, guys. Let me show it to you. Yeah, it's really nice, you know, and it's having something really cool. It's that it's having these pads on the sides, so you would not be cracking the display of the TV. Okay, so let me grab the camera. We got here in the back. Okay, yeah, we're having a digital output that would be optical for your speakers if you do have speakers with output functionality. A USB, yeah, the antenna, and a LAN RJ45 ports and two HDMI ports in here, and of course your powering connector. Okay, and yeah, the good thing is that this beauty has this bands here that it would be helping you to run, you know, the wires here, so it would be looking really clear when you install this baby on your wall. Okay, so let me show you what we got here, all the paperwork of course, and we're gonna be having my remote controller and yeah, the power cord. Okay, and it even have this like transversal connector for your antenna. That's great. Okay, so let me open this thing up. I don't want to damage. Alright, got a really clean, easy to open this bag. Alright, yeah, one of the things that I'm really wanting to see is my remote controller. I thought it was gonna be one of the big ones, but this one seems to be really stylish and beautiful. Look at this. Oh yeah, I'm really loving the design of this controller. I know this is a entry-level 4K PC, but yeah, look at this. It's nice. It's really nice. Okay, probably that's everything. So thank you guys for watching. I know it was a really fast video of the unboxing of this Samsung TV, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you do want to see any of the stuff, please comment below. If you did love this video, please hit on the like, and please do subscribe to help me out. I would be uploading a lot of content in the future. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.